Hi, welcome to Adobe Animate Your Voice. Are you tired of trying to come up with something for students to do? How about Adobe Animate Your Voice? Students can show what they have learned about a topic and be creative. The more excited they get, the more the picture will move. The slower they talk, it won't. All students and staff have access to Adobe Express, and Animate Your Voice is one of the features. Enjoy! Happy creating! While I'm waiting for my video to be ready, I get to watch a little cutie black and white cartoon. At least they give me something while I have to wait seconds for my video. How long can you wait?
Yay, yippee, woohoo!
You're done! You did it! Happy animating with Adobe. We hope you love it. We hope your students love it. Feel free to watch this video again and again so you can keep animating with Adobe.